Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening Snapchat and confirming you're logged into the correct account. This matters because Spotlight history ties to account activity. Once done, make sure the app is updated and storage permissions are allowed so Snapchat can show cached activity. Now tap your profile icon at top left and proceed directly to settings. This is faster than searching. You're taking control of the environment, so the next steps reveal the Spotlight items you engaged with. Don't skip the account check. Once you're in settings, go to My Data or the Activity section. Snapchat moves names occasionally, so scan for viewed or saved content. You'll see lists categorized by type. Focus on Spotlight or Snap's related entries to isolate short videos. Make sure to use built-in search or date filters to quickly jump to the time frame you care about. If the app shows limited items, request your data export. That reveals fuller history on the web. This step extracts the specific Spotlight interactions you want to inspect. To finish, download the data export from Snapchat's privacy portal if the in-app history is incomplete. It compiles viewed and posted Spotlight items. Check the linked email for the export link and follow instructions to retrieve the archive. If entries still seem missing, make sure you use the correct account, log out and back in, and reinstall the app to refresh caches. One troubleshooting tip: if history is absent after reinstall, Snapchat may have purged older Spotlight records. Contact support for help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.